When people think of surrealism, they think of melting clocks, dreamscapes, and weird juxtapositions. But surrealism was never just about art. It was a technique of liberation. Surrealism was born in the 1920s from the ashes of World War I, a rejection of the so-called rational world that had led to irrational carnage. Artists like André Breton looked to dreams, chance, and the unconscious for truth. They believed there was a deeper current beneath reason, and they were right. Enter chaos magic. While surrealists explored the unconscious through dreams and chants, early chaos magicians were already doing this through ritual and sigil. Austin Osman Spare, a contemporary of early surrealism, wasn't just a painter. He developed sigil magic as a way to bypass the conscious mind and implant intention directly into the subconscious. He rejected ceremonial magic's complexity. To him, magic was about flow, not control. Brion Gysin, an avant-garde surrealist and close friend of William S. Burroughs, created the cut-up method, slicing and remixing language to free it from linear control. This was magic. This was spell-breaking. Gysin said, "Writing is 50 years behind painting. But with the cut-up method, the unconscious could speak, unfiltered." And then there's Ithell Colquhoun, a surrealist painter, occultist, and member of both the OTO and Golden Dawn. She practiced automatism, creating art directly from the unconscious. For her, art was ritual. Each piece a portal, each image, a glimpse of the soul beyond the ego's veil. All of these creators had something in common. They knew that true power lies in integration. Not domination of the self, not repression, but integration of conscious and unconscious. The surrealists wanted a world where dreams mattered. Chaos magicians create that world. In a society built on ego, the curated self, the brand, the mask, surrealism and chaos magic are revolutionary. Automatic writing, dream work, creative flow, these are all paths to gnosis. Ways to short-circuit the mind's self-policing, to let something deeper, something infinite, speak through you. In this way, surrealism isn't dead. It's a technique, a tool. And magic? Magic is art with purpose. If you've ever made something and wondered, where did that come from? You've already touched the current. You've already begun.